Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLSN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice day today, but there is perspective that goes into this, meaning if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 12 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, and that's how those long-term uptrends are built. Higher bases, higher lows. So again, I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So, if I'm saying that something's bullish and you think I'm crazy, well, my guess would be it's because you had a different strategy, different perspective going into all this. So let's first start talking about some areas of support. The ideal level of support that you want to see continue to hold right here at 48 cents. Why do I say continue to hold? Well, you can see multiple times, the bears kept knocking on this door, trying to press the price lower, but each and every time the bulls said, no, that's not going to happen. So as it stands right now, 48 cents is, providing a good solid area of support. In the event that can't hold, another area of support to keep an eye on down here at this previous break point, and that sits at 41 cents. Now, from a big picture perspective, in terms of, just kind of measuring the health of the move, what do I mean by the move? Well, this, since it was back here on the 11th to, where it is right now, this move, how can you measure the health of it in a very black and white way? Keep an eye on that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. In other words, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full control, bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards, or if this price is going to continue upwards, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? The one that I actually just noticed, which is definitely a level of resistance, it seems kind of random, but pretty much all afternoon, the price, for whatever reason, 53 cents, sellers just showed up there, and on multiple occasions, bulls tried to press up through there, but just couldn't quite do it. So shorter term wise, 53 cents, as random as that seems, there's definitely some sellers sitting there. So that'll be the initial area of resistance, and then after 53, next key level up there at 59 cents. So 53, 59, 2 levels of resistance. But all in all, at the end of the day, in my opinion, at least, it's not about breaking levels of resistance at this point. It's just about building those higher bases and, starting to work on, the overall uptrend. Because if the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of, like I said, building these higher bases, the long-term chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.